Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More, and today's date is the 9th July, and today's I am talking about the polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, poly and morphs. The word poly means many and morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism means more ways in Java we can perform same single action in different ways. We can define polymorphism as the ability of message to display in more than one form. Real life example of polymorphism is a person at the same time can have different characteristics, like a man at the same time is a father, a brother, a son, a husband and worker, etc. Mobile phone like as a mobile at the same time music, game, etc. Water have different from like liquid, solid, gas. So shape, circle, triangle, rectangle, etc. Use of polymorphism in Java. The most common use of polymorphism occurs when a parent class reference is used to refer to child class object. Java polymorphism is mainly divided into two types: compile time, run time. The compile time polymorphism, whenever an object is bound with their functionality at the compile time, this is known as a compile time. The polymorphism, compile time polymorphism, is also called as static polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variable of a superclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the object being referred to by the reference variable at compile time. So Java knows which methods to call by checking the method signatures. This type of polymorphism achieved by function overloading or operator overloading, but Java does not support operator overloading. Compile time polymorphism is achieved through method overloading. Compile time polymorphism is handled by compiler. Now we see what is method overloading. So method overloading means when there are multiple functions of same name but no parameters or data types. So data type or parameters are different. Method overloading is the same name process which class has two or more methods with the same name. Nevertheless, the implementation of a specific method occurs according to the number of parameters in the method call. The method overloading is a features that allows a class to have more than one method having the same name. If their argument lists are different, it is similar to constructor overloading in Java that allows a class to have more than one constructor having different arguments list. Rule of method overloading: method name should same name. Method should be in a same class. Method have a different argument. In different argument there are a different number of argument. Sequence of argument will be changed. Data type argument will be changed. For example, Suppose we have created a class named as a test. In this class we have created a method named as a show. In this method we have print the 1. Then we have created the second method named as a show, and they pass the parameter int a and print the 2. In the main method we have created the object of this class test. Test is equal to new test and the output is 1. We cannot achieve method overloading by changing the return type because of confusion. Runtime polymorphism. If subclass has the same method as declared in the parent class, it is known as the method overriding in Java. In other words, it is known as a method overriding in Java. In other words, subclass provides the specific implementation of the method that has been declared by one of its parent class. It is known as method overriding. So runtime polymorphism is also called as dynamic polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is a method in which a call to an override method is resolved at runtime rather than compile time. Overridden method is called through the reference variable of a superclass. Runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding. Method overriding means when method name is same but we can both method, then priority goes to the second method. Then this is called method overriding. It is achieved through inheritance. Suppose, for example, a son inherits his father's public properties, home and car, and using it. At later point of time, he decided to buy and use his own car, but still he wants to use his father's home. Example, we have created a class named as a test and create the method the name as show and print the message is 1. Then we have created another class named as xyz. So xyz class extend test class. In this class we have created the method named as show and print the message is 2. In the main method we have created the object of class test. The test t is equal to new test and call the method t dot show. So rule of method overriding: method name should same name, method should be in a different class, method have a same argument. In different argument there are same number of argument, sequence of argument will be same, data type argument will be same. So advantages of polymorphism: so it helps the programmer to reuse the code, that is, classes once written, tested and implemented can be used as required. It saves a lot of time. Second one is a single variable can be store multiple data types. Third one is it easy to debug the code. Polymorphism is a flexibility and extensibility. A polymorphism allows perform single action in different ways. One of the main disadvantages of polymorphism is that developers find it difficult to implement polymorphism in codes. Runtime polymorphism can lead to the performance issues where machine needs to decide which method or variable to invoke, so it is basically degrades the performances as decisions are taken at runtime. So polymorphism is considered one of the important feature of object oriented programming. Polymorphism allows us to perform a single action in a different ways. In other words, polymorphism to define and define one interface and have multiple implementations. Thank you.